Did you know that Chinese people also eat many different types of salad or cold dishes? The words liángbàn literally translate to cold mix or salad. How do you make a Chinese salad so super nourishing and shockingly tasty? All you need is 15 minutes. In a bowl, crack in the eggs and season them with a pinch of salt. Whisk. In a pan over medium heat, add about 1 teaspoon of oil and half of the egg mixture. Cook until both sides are set for about 2 minutes. Do the same with the rest. Slice the eggs into strips. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Blanch the glass noodles for 30 seconds. Remove and drain. In the same pot over high heat, blanch the carrots for 20 seconds. Remove and drain. In the same pot over high heat, blanch the spinach for 10 seconds. Remove and drain. To make the sauce in a bowl, add the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar. You can also replace it with other types of vinegar, and sugar. Whisk. In a large mixing bowl, add the glass noodles, spinach, carrots, eggs, scallions, garlic, red finger hot peppers, and chili flakes. If you can consume spicy food, you can also take out the red peppers and chili flakes. In a small pan over high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it up until smoking hot. Add the hot oil over the scallions, garlic, red peppers, and chili flakes. Pour the sauce over the salad. Toss everything together. According to traditional Chinese medicine, spring is a great time to eat spinach. Spinach helps to clear, smooth, and nourish our livers in the spring. Happy cooking and enjoy! Absolutely delicious. It has many dimensions of flavors and textures. Perfect combination. I love it. So refreshing. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. And I will see you again soon. Bye!